ko dia ho, haramai, welcome to Homemade Let's Cook, still here in Australia, and it's a lovely day here today. We are making Spanakopita today, and for that you're going to need some phyllo pastry, and our filling is going to be some traditional elements. So we've got spinach, I'm using fresh spinach here, feta, choice of Danish feta, but you can use any feta you like. We've got an egg, salt and pepper, and just not necessarily traditional, but we're just going to add some chopped cherry tomatoes to our mixture as well. So the first thing we're going to do is actually go to the stove, and we're going to combine some oil with some butter. Just use equal amounts. So if you use about 1/8 of a cup of oil, use 1/8 of a cup of butter as well. And we're just going to use that when we start preparing the phyllo pastry. The next thing that we're going to do is wilt our spinach. So it's going to go from this, and I'll show it on the stove, to this. And then we have all our ingredients together, ready to mix them up. So it's time to put everything together. Let's take a closer look. Start with a single sheet of phyllo pastry. Dab it with your mixture of oil and butter, and repeat 2 times. Now take a knife and cut the phyllo pastry in thirds, ready to make the parcels. Now take your mixture and place it along at least 3/4 of the length of the pastry. Now use some of the butter and oil mix just on the ends and on the sides. Do this before rolling them up. Now start folding from the bottom corner to make your parcel. Keep going until the end and fold under any excess. Brush the parcels with egg before placing in a hot oven. And after they've been into your hot oven for about 15 minutes, they'll be golden brown and ready to pull out. Serve them with sweet chili sauce or any sauce of your choosing, or just have them plain on their own. They're pretty tasty as is. Thanks for joining me for Homemade Let's Cook. Please join me again. Ka kite.